So one of the reasons I helped start Outside the Box Associates was because we really want to promote inclusion. And we thought that this was a good example when I was talking to Sean Kurst about what inclusion does. Because it was the two of us, Sam and myself, that were trapped here with a bunch of other people during the December storm last winter season. And if we didn't build the relationship with Barb, we would have been here alone, needing to find somebody to help. But because we built the relationship with Barb and, really made sure that we got to know our neighbors, we were able to then meet other people and get the help we needed along with helping them. It's not just about able-bodied people helping people with disabilities. It's got to be a mutual relationship. And that's why Outside the Box is doing our walks and our hikes and things like that to promote people without disabilities interacting with people with disabilities and fostering that connection, because that's how life is lived.
Absolutely.
That's how life is lived. And I don't know if Sam, you want to say, do you think we would have done well in the storm if it wasn't for our connections?
I mean, I think it goes to emergency preparedness, where one of the things that I learned during that process is once you get to know one neighbor, and then you get to know another neighbor, and so on and so forth, and you grow that connection with everybody, and that they would be able to help you out, depending on what you need and what they're comfortable with. Our neighbor Barb is comfortable with helping us with a lot of stuff. So is our neighbor Rick. So we depend on both of them if something happens to us.
And we at Outside the Box believe that you got to foster those relationships with the community to build a better world.
And we started with Barb, and we got about 5 to 6 neighbors that we're close to now.
Yeah.
And I think it's important with you saying that you want to make this accessible for able-bodied people, so it's a comfortable feeling. It's not something that, you're outside taking a walk. It's a natural progression into fostering friendship and fostering relationship. I think that's great.
Yeah.
I think that's wonderful.